What's up there?
A parrot.
Really? Okay, so I'm walking over there because I'm seeing the people who are trying to get hope down from the tree, and let's just film them and see why they want to get my bird down. What's up there?
A parrot.
Really?
And it's speaking. It says hello.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
It's up there.
In the palm tree?
Yeah. It's moving around.
I don't see him. You think he's gonna come down?
He's been coming down. He
Really?
goes back up. If you go over there, you'll see it better. But it's right there. You see the trees, the palm trees?
Oh yeah, I see him. Wow, he's huge.
He has a lot of colors.
Yeah, beautiful parrot. So you're calling him to come down?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we thought it was that family's.
You thought it was your family's?
No, I thought it was the other families because we're down there, but there's another family right here.
So it belongs to that other family?
I think so.
Oh, so you're gonna help him to get it down?
Yeah, he's just calling him. I guess he let him loose or something. I don't know.
And then once you get it down, you're gonna give it to the other family?
I mean, we're not gonna get it because it's not ours, but they will.
How are they gonna get him down?
I'm not too sure, honestly.
He's so high up.
Yeah.
He's like sitting on the tree. Hello. Let me see if I can get him down. Come down, parrot. Come down. Come down. So if I get him down, I'm gonna keep him.
You can.
Yeah.
You can. I mean, they're trying to get him down, but we're not too sure if it's theirs.
I wonder who it is. They said it's a lady with the green cap.
Oh, I don't see a lady with a green
I
cap.
don't either. You could get a better view over there.
No, this is fine. I can see him right from here. Yeah. He's huge. He's probably also expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Don't bug him.
Come down! Ah! Come down, parrot! Ah! Come down! Ah! You wanna come down? Uh-huh. Come down! Uh-huh. Come down! Come down! Come down, parrot! Come! Come down! Come down, parrot! Ah! Come down! He's talking to me. Come down! Ah! There you are! Whee! There you are! You wanna come down to me? Come down! Come down! Come down! Whoa! Wow, he's beautiful. Come down! Come down! Come, 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 come! Come! Come down! Whoa! Come down! Come, 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 come! Hello? Ah! Ah! Wow! Look at him! Come mine. His name is Hope. Hi, Hope. Yeah, he doesn't land on strangers.
Back to you, I was like, what the heck? He's been trying to get
Yeah, don't come too close. He bites. He bites. He doesn't go to strangers.
Yeah?
Yeah, he bites.
Beautiful bird.
Thank
I know
you.
it belongs to someone.
Yeah, he's mine. We fly here like daily.
Yeah.
He's free flight trained.
I saw a video on YouTube. It's another person, the same bird.
Oh, really?
He drive, and he's next to the car.
Wow.
Flying
That's
next to it.
awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's free flight trained. I trained him since he was a baby.
Yeah.
Good boy, Hoppy. Mwah.
What's his bird? What's his name?
Hope.
Oh,
Oh, there he goes.
I know they are so smart.
Yeah. He's so smart. Yeah, he bites. He doesn't go to strangers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
Mateo, look at Papa.
I got him. Hoppy, come. Let's go. Hoppy, come. Come. Let's go. Let's go home. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. He likes the... Come on, baby. Come. Hoppy. Come on. Let's go. You coming? You coming? Come on, Hope. Doesn't want to come. He loves to chew on trees. Hoppy.
There were a couple of them 2 days back.
What?
Couple of them. There were two.
There was 2 of them?
Yeah. And they used to come and the small bird used to attack them.
Oh.
Then she goes for
But are they big birds like that?
this only. Two. They were used to come only on this tree.
Yeah.
There may be a nest of birds.
Oh,
They
really?
are going for the eggs and they will attack other birds.
Wow.
They used to chase them.
Wow.
Exactly the same.
Hoppy, come on. Come, let's go. Hoppy. Hoppy. Hoppy, come. Wow. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Mwah. Good boy. You guys want to race with him? Yeah, come here, over here. He's a boy. He loves to race with children. Hey, do you want to race? Okay, line up right here. Okay, line up. Let's go right. And then we just circle around there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Race. Go. Whoa. Hoppy, come back. Hoppy. Come back. Good boy. Come. Nice. Good boy. Was that fun? Was that fun? You want to do it again? You want to do it again? Just don't touch him. Don't come too close. He bites. You don't want to lose your hand. All right, line up right here. You want to do it again? You want to race with the kids? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and go! Good boy! Come on, Hope. Come. Nice. Oh, don't ask. Yeah, pretty.
Don't scare him.
No, you didn't scare him. You didn't scare him.
I feel, I don't know, I was like, I need to tell her.
Don't come too close, please.
Sorry.
Don't come too close. Yeah, he doesn't go to strangers.
Good, I'm glad, because I was
Yeah.
like, oh my god, I need to tell his mommy.
Thank you
Like,
so
I was worried
much.
about him.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you guys. Yeah, I was waiting there and he didn't listen.
Oh yeah,
He want me to come
I
get
heard
him.
I heard him making the sound.
Oh. Come here. Oh, everything was good. Good boy.
I heard him making the calls that he makes with you, how he communicates with
Yeah.
you, and I was like, I think he's looking for his mom, but there was just so many people standing around that I was like, he's not gonna fly away.
No, he knows exactly where I was.
Oh, that's
He just wanted to play with me,
Okay.
and he wasn't ready to come home yet.
Oh, he wanted to enjoy the show.
Yeah, exactly. Right? Thank you so much. That's really sweet. Good boy, Hope. Mwah.
Did she ask his name?
Yes, his name is Hope. Hope. Do you want to play, Hope? Do you want to play? Oh, what? What, baby? Mwah. Yeah, go ahead.
You follow her instructions.
Oh no, not too close. Just from far. Can take a picture like this.
Oh, you're posing. Good job.
Don't come too close.
And just
Yeah, right there is good.
You can be in the picture, okay? They're gonna insist on being in the picture.
Got it?
Yes.
Yay, you're welcome.
Nice posing for the picture.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. You too.
I
Bye.
never seen it's not that close, so just half close.
Yeah. Oh, since he was a baby, we are like this. We are bonded. Thank you. Bye. You're welcome. Okay, guys, I got Hope back. He's sitting right now on my head. He didn't come back to me. I had to go get him because he wasn't ready yet, and I need to go home to like edit and make ready the next vlog for tomorrow. So I couldn't have him fly around for another hour. But anyway, I faked to that guy that I was trying to catch him just to like prove his reaction. And yeah, what do you think? Like, he really wanted to catch him, and then once Hope came down and flew to me, oh my gosh, the reaction on their face were priceless. But you see, those people need to know and get caught in the middle of the act, so it will reveal what's in their heart. And they really wanted to catch my bird, but he's not gonna come down to them, so no stress. Hope is now sitting on my head, and those kids even had fun racing with him, so they have something to talk about. Who ever raced with a macaw before? It's like something really unique and special. Who can say that about themselves? And Hope, I think Hope is the only bird in the whole world who's racing with kids. Right, Hope? Yeah, you are special. You're special. Okay, guys, so that's it. That's the vlog for today. Give us a thumbs up, comment below, and hit the notification bell. We're gonna go home. I'm gonna feed him dinner, and then I just need to edit and work. Okay, guys, see you next time. Bye. Yeah? Are you playing in the car? What are you doing? Oh, where's your ball? Where's your ball? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, ready to drive? Let's go. Oh, 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 where are you driving to? Oh, let driving, let mommy drive here. Come on, let mommy drive. Right there. We're home. Do you want some dinner? We're home. Or you want to continue playing with your ball? What do you want to do? Continue playing with your ball? Huh? 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 Baby. Hope is so playful after flying. Oh, come on, let's go home. Okay, let's go. Let's go home. Okay. Yeah, good boy.